KAMSIN C50 manual hot wing gun. Made of durable metal, wear resistant, stronger, and longer service life. Combines physical mechanics and ergonomic design to minimize operator fatigue and provide a better sense of use. When loading, thread the hot ring staples into the magazine track. Pull the nail pusher to the back of the staples and fix it. Open the holder between the grips. Pay attention to the correct use method. When using C50 manual hot wing gun, first, open the handle to the maximum extent to ensure stable fitting completely. Secondly, press the handle and release it after hearing click. Finally, you'll be able to use it to the fullest. Widely used applications such as wire cages, gabion, and fencing. KAMSIN, professional and cost-effective true expert.